Hello Amorians, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing with you how I made this amazing mocktail called Chapman that is very easy to make with few ingredients that you might already have in the kitchen, and this particular recipe serves 10 people. First, you will need bitter lemon. I use the Schweppes brand, but you can use any other brand. Then you will need Fanta, this color, and then Sprite or any lemon lime soda. The next is grenadine or zobo drink or Ribena. Now in your dispenser you're going to add lots of ice. This is very important especially if you're serving the drink right away, so you need to add lots of ice. Now you will need the fruit to infuse. I'll be using some cucumber. You shouldn't omit this because it adds this amazing flavor to your drink. So you're going to thinly slice some cucumber. I'll be using just half medium-sized cucumber for this recipe. Then of course I'll be using lemon. Just thinly slice that and set aside, and also one tangerine, clementine or orange, anyone you have. Now in the same dispenser with your ice, squeeze in half orange, clementine or tangerine, and then half lemon juice. This is very important. Then go in with the sliced cucumber, lemon, and of course your orange or clementine. Next is 2 bottles of Sprite or any lemon lime soda, and of course also you're going to use 2 bottles of Fanta. The ratio for Fanta and Sprite is the same. If you're using just 1 bottle of Sprite, then you'll be using 1 bottle of Fanta. Next is your lemon bitter, like I shared with you earlier, the Schweppes. You're going to add 1 can of that, and then grenadine. I don't really have a measurement for the grenadine. You're just going to add a little bit as mix to see whether you achieve the color you want, and then if it's not up to this color you can add more, but for me this is perfectly okay. So be adding little as you go, and then give everything a good stir. If you're not enjoying this right away, just let the fruit infuse before serving, or you can serve right away. You can serve this at any event or parties. This is the Nigerian Chapman, the halal version without the Angostura bitters, okay? The substitute for Angostura bitters here is the Schweppes, the bitter lemon Schweppes that I used earlier. So if you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video. The full written recipe will be in the description box below. Bye.